Morning all. It is a bright and sunny morning, so we're here to make the most of it. Today's job list consists of re-coating the wheel arches with the Dinitrol 445, I think, which is the stone chip protection. So we've cleaned back, we've cleaned the whole area, we've used a panel degreaser again, we've removed all of the tar spots, any rubber bungs, etc, etc. We've masked the area that we truly want to work with, and we're ready to go. The theory being that we will coat everything with the black stone chip guard, and then once that's dried to a nice hard shell as it does, we can then paint over the top of it in silver so as to match the bodywork. So that is coat one underneath the wheel arches. Looks fantastic in my mind. With the rust preventative that's inside the 445 stone chip protection, that will work its magic underneath all of the black paint. Let that dry, let it harden off, and then we can cover over with, probably from our side, a VHT silver paint, so that that will take any kind of hits at it, and obviously it will be covered over with the wheel arch liner after that. I can only think that this will help with quietening down the road noise inside the car as well, and also adding another layer of protection on top of the factory protection that was put there 20 years ago. So happy days, smiles all round. Top notch Dinitrol. Good afternoon. We're now going to finish off with 4010, which is our clear protector that we used the other day on the other components for the subframe. We've obviously done the black stone chip coat and left that to dry significantly and to a point where we could then overspray, which we have now done with the silver heat spray. And we've left it to dry as well. I mean, that's a short drying time of sort of 10 to 20 minutes. So we're about 4 hours into the jobs today now. Both sides are at the same point. So I think final coat of this, we'll see this in ship-shape condition and with some serious protection on it. That'll be 3 extra layers of protection on top, including rust converters and rust protection. And hey, there's not really a lot more you can do, and at the end of the day it'll be predominantly covered by the refurbished wheel arch liners as well. So all in all, we should have an absolutely spot on, tip top little R50 HRRCC first edition.